Hello guys, good morning, happy Sunday everyone. It's cloudy. I think it's gonna rain. And it's cold. I just go to the store, grocery. I need to find a banana blossom for my cooking. I'm gonna cook. In Tagalog ay humba. I need a banana blossom for my menu today. This is the Church of the Muslim. This one. This is their church. And inside this wall, inside the wall is the cemetery. Cemetery for the local people here. This is the vacant lot. I hope I can find banana blossom in the Wison. They said that there is in Wison. Oh, the smell of the bread is so yummy. That's a bakery there. See the bird, they're flying. They're flying up high. I need to put this down. Oh. See,